Solidworks provides an excellent tool for creating systems of belts, chains, pulleys, and sprockets in your assemblies. Now previously, I would have had to use gear mates to simulate the motion of each of these pulleys, and I still would have had to calculate the length of the belt that would connect them, and probably create a new belt part manually. To simplify this, Solidworks has added something called a belt chain feature that takes care of all of that for me. It'll create all but all of the components will be able to rotate free of one another. I'll activate this option so I can see the effect of the belt mates. Finally, I'll check the Create Belt Part checkbox to have Solidworks create a new part file for the belt. When I click the green check, I'm returned to the assembly. Now, when I move one of the components, I can see the system moves all together as it should. If I look in the Feature Manager and expand the Mates folder, I can see a new group of belt mates that was added between the belt and all of the selected components. Also, I can see our belt feature has been added to the tree as a new assembly feature. If I expand it, I can see the sketch that was created and the belt part that's derived from that sketch. If I wanted to show the belt more accurately, I could open the part and use the sketch to create an extrude or sweep feature. If you need to make any changes to any of the options you specify in the belt feature, just right-click and select Edit Feature.